Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see about adjusting the preferred DB instance maintenance window. The maintenance window should be fall at the time of lowest usage and thus need modification from time to time. Your DB instance will only be unavailable during this time if the system changes such as a change in DB instance class are being applied and require an outage and only for the minimum amount of time required to make the necessary changes. In the following example, you adjust the preferred maintenance window for a DB instance. For purpose of this example, we assume that the DB instance named MyDB instance exists and has a preferred maintenance window of Sunday 5 to Sunday 6 UTC. To adjust the preferred maintenance window, in the navigation pane, choose databases and then select the DB instance that you want to modify. Choose modify. The modify DB instance page, scroll down. In the maintenance section, update the maintenance window. You can choose start day and the start time and duration. The maintenance window and the backup window for the DB instance cannot overlap. If you enter a value for the maintenance window that overlaps the backup window, an error message appears. So backup window and the maintenance window should be scheduled different day and time. Here I am choosing the backup window Wednesday 4 o'clock. Duration 30 minutes. Then choose continue. In the summary of modification, you can validate current value and new value. Scheduling of modifications, choose apply immediately. Then choose modify DB instance. Choose this database. In the maintenance and backup tab, you can confirm the maintenance and day, time, and duration. For upgrading a DB instance engine version, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.